even cry. You didn't even cry. You didn't even cry. You got my nose.
Yeah.
Baby, you got my nose. You got your daddy's eyes, so.
You know that name of the anesthesiologist? I've never seen him before. I know it's
The dark hair, dark skin, dark...
No, he's an
Oh.
attending.
Oh, no, but I can ask him
Baby,
that.
Okay.
baby. Ang bago ng baby ko.
Congratulations, you guys.
Thank you.
Beautiful. What was the delivery time?
21:59.
21:59? Okay, then I'm going to put my vital starting at 2200.
Okay.
Hindi na dalawa niya.
Ito no.
Ito yung bilhin ni Nang Lilian puntahan mo. Wala siyang madidi. No more milk.
May?
No more drinking.
What?
I don't know.
No.
Ay!
Dito na nakuha ni baby. Yung kahit yung sabaw.
No more. Very good boy. Hindi siya nakikita ng baby, oh. Why? Oh. Oh. Oh, kulot ka, bebe. Grabe yung hirap ko sa'yo, baby. I'm tired.
Yara ba na?
Very tired. Yeah.
Yara ako tayo automatic.
Yeah.
Ano na? Tiyan?
Mm-hmm.
Baby.